Hello folks, I welcome you to this channel. Have you been worried about how you can import successfully into your country? Have you been duped just because of these quote unquote these bad boys that they call themselves agents? If yes, then stay tuned as I walk you through one successful shipping company that assists participants or individuals to procure and ship their preferred choice of items right away from UK, China, Turkey, Dubai, and many among other overseas suppliers. Without much ado, let's launch our preferred choice of browser. The legitimate shipping company I would like to recommend to you, or we're gonna create an account on, is called Chrisvic. So in your URL toolbar, you come and type chrisvicmall.com. Just as you can see, I click on enter, so that take me to the home page of Chrisvic. Just as we can see, this is the home page of Chrisvic. I've been using this shipping company for over a decade now. So if you are using the PC just as I am, you come to the left hand side. Among the list of options, you see register. If you are using your smartphone too, it's the same thing. You click on the three lines on the left hand top corner and you see these options. So without much ado, let's click on register, so that it takes us to the registration form so that we can fill it and proceed. Well, this is the registration form center. So we fill in. First name is your name, then the last name is your surname. What username? I type the username I would like to use. Well, I would like to lay much emphasis on the username section. Many a times people create the username or they type the username separating them. Creating an account on Chrisvic, regarding the username section, we don't separate the username. If your username is Mama I miss you, that is your username, please don't separate it. Type the username as one word, I beg you. If you don't do that, you are likely to have some challenges when logging in. So I'm done typing my preferred choice of username. The next thing is I enter my email address. The email address I would like to use for this tutorial. Ensure everything that you type is correct. Now choose a password. You come to this section also, you enter the same password you key in. The next rectangular box is asking where we have the inscription, select your country. If you are in Ghana, you click here and you select Ghana. If you are in Nigeria, you click and select the country in which you live in. At this very section, enter these 6 alphanumeric letters. So what you see here, you enter the same thing here, so that it tells Chrisvic that you are not a robot. So let's check everything as to whether all the things that we've entered is correct. If it is correct, we click on register. We wait so that we are being taken to the next interface. Great. I don't save this. Let me close this. From this inscription, successful registration, what it simply means is an activation email has been sent to the email address that we've used to create the account. So what it means is we have to log into the very email address you've used in creating the account, so that we go and proceed from there. So let me quickly log in there, and this is my email inbox, and this is the email address that I've received from Chrisvic. So you come and open it, then you see, just as you can see here, so you see activation link. So the very link in the blue with the blue writings, you click on it, so that it take you to the Chrisvic login dashboard. Now you'll be brought to this interface. When you come to this interface, you don't have to input anything here. All you just see is successful email activation. Your account is now active. You may log in. So either you click here to sign in, or you come at the top right hand corner to sign in from there. So either way, we are good to go. So you can choose this section, then we wait, so that takes us to the login homepage of Chrisvic. Well, in my case, for instance, I already have an account here and all that, but for the sake of this tutorial, let me log in with the the details I've used in creating this account. So in here, after confirming my email, I come back to this place, or go to the home page of Chrisvic, so that I go to login. We've successfully created the account, so let me click on login from here at the top right hand corner, or you come to the left side and you see login, you click on login. Now what we will need to log in is the username we've used in creating the account and the password, so we don't forget it. So let me clear this is not the username. I enter the username I've used in creating the account, and now I enter the password. I now click on sign in. I wait so that it send me in to the Chrisvicmall account. Well, that's great. I've successfully signed in, created the account successfully, and signed in. So how do you know that you've successfully signed in? At the left side hand corner, you see logout, meaning we've sign in. Or you can come to this very section. When you click on this avatar, you see sign out and another, meaning you are signing. Now let's go to our dashboard, so that we fortify our account. Either you click on this avatar and you go to account dashboard, or you come to the left hand side and you see dashboard, then you click on it. So either way you can click on it, it will take you to the same profile. Since we've just created the account, we need to add our phone number or other things to it. So this is the dashboard of my account. So you see that the username is here, the email and all that, and my current balance is $0. So when you are in here, you come to this very interface, just as you can see, then you see add/update phone number. You click on it, then it brings you to this interface. City, well, I live in Ghana, so the city is Accra. Then the country, you click on this drop down arrow, then you select the country in which you live in. If you are in Nigeria, you select. If you are in Ghana, you select. Anywhere you live in, you select. But please ensure you select the right country you live in, so that when you are using this medium to import anything, they don't go to send your goods to any other country other than the country you live in. Phone number, here you come here and enter the phone number, your active phone number, such that when they call, in case your goods arrive here in Ghana, it can go through. You ensure the phone number is correct. If you live in Nigeria too, you input your active phone number here with all due respect. When all is said and done, then you click on update phone. Let's see what happens here. That's very great. At the top, you see in the green, with a green background, you see your phone number has been updated successfully. When I scroll down a little, or you see the phone Ghana, and this is the phone number, the city is here, and all what have you. So folks, this is how we create a successful account on Chrisvic. In my subsequent tutorial, I will walk you through how we're gonna add items to our Chrisvic account so that we can import successfully from 1688 and go our way using Chrisvic. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, I'll plead with you to subscribe to my channel if you are new, share with your friends and loved ones. And if you have any question regarding this video or anything on importation that you would like me to know, kindly leave your comment in the comment section below, and I'll get you all the nitty-gritty that you need to know. In any way you would like me to shoot any other lesson that I have not yet shared with you, you can kindly give your submission in the comment box below, and I'll keep you in touch. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.